everyone, James here. Apologies for no content recently. Like most modelers, I'm sure you have as well. Your motivation went, and that's what happened to me for modelling. Maybe because I'm doing the 4 or 5 Mustangs for the Duxford series build. Maybe it was that. It was getting too much for me. I should probably just build one, then finish it and move on and build another one. So while I haven't been posting anything, me and the other half built these. It's still going on. It's the Tamiya 135th. It's the Ford GPA amphibian. Just wanted to do something off camera, just try and get it back as well. Mojo. This is the progress I've been doing on it so far. Just hope you still stick around. There is a part 1 for the Mustangs. Hopefully should be up at the weekend, if not during the week. Hi everyone, James here. Progress update on Contrary Mary and Miss Velma. For both aircraft, the 2 side walls have been sprayed in the US interior green, and then I've cut away the wartime radio equipment and used the 0.30mm plastic card plain sheet to put over the top, and then used a donor seat or a spare I had for the rear, dual control rear area, and then I've used the main instrument panel. I've cut it down where the rudder pedals are and the middle. That's going to be in the back. Then I've got a photo etch instrument panel for the front. Hi everyone, James here again. Another progress update on the D Mustangs. I used 0.13mm plastic card for the backing of the instrument panel, and then glued the donor seat and control stick in, and then the instrument is going to be glued and placed here. Hi everyone, James here. Another progress update on Miss Velma and Contrary Mary, along with Brandon Express, the Armour Hobby new 1/72 scale Mustang B. This is the progress on the other 2, as they're both, it's the same aircraft with different schemes. They're going to have identical interiors. They're both obviously dual controlled as well, which I've scratch built into the rear area. And I've used a aftermarket photo etch instrument panel. I've used this company again before. I'm not going to butcher the pronunciation on it. Hi everyone, James here. So doing some research on the aircraft I'm going to model for the Duxford series. The wings are putted top and bottom surfaces, and I have on my phone just here where you would feel the panels in. Then you would leave this panels along here, as they're the panels for the machine guns, I believe, and the rest in red are filled. That's for both sides. And back onto the model. These here are left, and then these panel lines are filled in. Hi everyone, back again. So the two Mustangs, Contrary Mary, Miss of Alma, both the same aircraft, but at a air show a few years ago it crashed, so they rebuilt it and repainted it in the Contrary Mary colour scheme. So the top side has been putted, and again the underside as well have been both putted also. Just going to hit them now with some primer just to see if the panel lines have been filled in. Hi everyone, back again. So I've hit the P-51s with some primer. I was pretty happy with how the fillers turned out in the panel lines.